back, and thank you for my new subscribers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to connect these beads in this top that I'm currently making at the moment. So this is for a little girl, and so we're just going to use our size 8 hook, and we're just going to use some wasted yarn to connect this. I have this tutorial before on my how did I make this top, but I haven't showed you guys how to connect these beads at the bottom of my top. And I used these beads before, this pink here, here, and this I'm making this kind of top for a little girl. So let us assume that this is the bottom of your petals. Okay, so we're just going to find the side, where the side of our petals right here. So this has a 16 petals. So we're just going to count from the side 1, 2, 3, 4 to the middle here. We're just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to, so the way I do it, I just tie it up to make a knot in here, and just do it one more time just to secure, and then you just have to clean it up once you're done stitching. Okay, so we're going to make a stitch of 3, chain of 3. So it's 1, 2, 3. I think it's very close. Let's just move a little bit more. And then we're going to put our bead and then grab your thread and pull through. Okay, so that, here we go. We have our first thread. Oh, sorry, we have our first bead. So and then 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to connect. Oh, sorry, just so we got our first bead, and then we're going to chain 2, 1, 2. So that's how it looks like, and we're going to connect it to put our hook on the next hole and pull through. And then we're going to chain again 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to connect to put another 1 bead, and pull through all the way. And then we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and put again on the next stitch, on the next hole, and then we're going to chain again 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to put another pearl, sorry, another beads. And then chain 2, 1, 2, and then we're going to put on the next hole again So we got now 3 beads in our at the bottom of our petals. So we're just going to continue that pattern until we reach to the end of our stitches. So we're just going to do the same pattern, 1, 2, 3. One, two. I hope you guys like this tutorial. So if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. And thank you for watching. I hope I'll see you again next time for my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.